I'll be showing you step by step how to change the color of the price in the Shopify Sense theme. So first, let's head to our Shopify dashboard, and then on the left-hand side menu, I want to navigate to Online Store, and this should open up my Themes section. Now I have the Sense theme currently installed as my current theme here, so the changes are going to apply, and let's go and customize the price color. So to do so, I want to hover over Customize. Clicking on it is going to open up my Shopify theme editor. Now this is just going to take a bit of code here, and we can do so from directly within the theme editor. We used to have to go in and edit the code manually, but this process simplifies things. Now I'm going to scroll down and just click on this first product here. This is going to open up the default product template. So this is going to apply to all my products in my Shopify store. We can see the price is currently black here, but maybe I want to make this a bright red. You can also change this to any color you like, and I'll show you how to do that as well. So to edit the color here, let's click on product information, and on the right hand side, this should open up a submenu for the product information section. And if I scroll down, this is going to show a custom CSS section. If I scroll down again, I can add my custom CSS within there. But let me zoom in a little more. This is going to shift the menu to the left hand side, but it's going to make it a little easier to read what I'm writing. So I'm going to write a bit of custom CSS here. It's going to be period price dash item. I'm going to write a left curly bracket, and by default, it's going to add a right closing one. I'm going to press enter to add some space. Next, I'm going to write color, semicolon. I'm just going to write red for now. And after that, I'm going to write exclamation point, important. Let's make sure it overrides any other color settings. And next, I'm going to click save. Now, if I scroll down here, I can see my price has been updated in color, and it is now in bright red. Now, you may not want bright red here. I'm going to show you how to set it to just about any color possible. So you should search for hex color wheel in Google. I'm just going to click on the first one here. It's called color picker. And basically hex codes are these 6 character length codes here that corresponds to just about every color out there. Now you can drag this along and find the exact color that you want on your store. I'm going to select a bright green here. So you can drag this around here to get different shades as well. Maybe I want this bright green in the top right. I can just go and copy this 6-letter code, and I also want to cover the hash as well. If I navigate back to my Shopify store, I can replace this red by just copying and pasting from what I had before, and I can see it's now updated to that bright green. I can hit save in the top right to finalize that, and just like that, I've changed the price color on my product page in the Shopify Sense theme. So overall, it's a super easy process. And essentially, we're just adding a bit of custom CSS to the default product template, and this can be done in the bottom right. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. You have your cost of goods sold, your ad spend from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok. You have your transaction fees, your refunds, your app expenses. These are all things you need to track manually, and that can be a very tedious and time-consuming process. But that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once it's set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations along with tons of different metrics and analytics so you can truly understand your Shopify store's performance. There's a link in the description below where you can get a 15-day free trial, or you can find it directly on the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left. So this concludes the video here. If it helped, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.